Stolzberg, and we're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Franky the baker, and he's about to make one of my favorite desserts. I don't know if I should love you for this or be mad at you.
Quick and easy, simple, 3-4 different ingredients, and we're ready to go.
Key lime pie.
Put our condensed milk in.
Literally 3 ingredients.
That's it.
So that's just egg yolk.
Egg yolks, no whites.
Save the whites.
Yep.
Make an egg white omelet.
That's right.
Don't waste.
You're gonna mix this together. Incorporate the milk and the yolk. You got a little lime juice.
You don't have to use key limes, because those are different, right?
Key limes are different. I use limes.
Regular limes.
Yep. The last step is a little zest.
A little lime zest.
Yep. Mix that together. And now we're gonna just pour and bake.
All right. I could even do this.
Yeah, this is
I
simple.
can do this. I could actually do this.
So 320 for 22 minutes. Wait till it cools off, leave it in the fridge for a good 2 hours, set it. Get a little rosette in the middle. Then you go every other side, garnish the ends. And we're gonna get the lime, make a twist.
Oh,
Drop
that's it?
That's it.
That's key lime pie.
It's done.
I can't, wow.
Yeah.
And if you'd like to try this at home, head to our website, news12.com. You'll find the recipe there. Franky, thank you.
You're welcome, thank you.
Let's eat it.
Right.